Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we are going to make beetroot pulao. Now this is a very versatile recipe as this can be lunch option, dinner option or a lunchbox recipe. And it's super simple to make, very few ingredients involved. The ingredients list is given in the description box. So do check it out. So let's jump right in. So I've taken a pressure pan in which I've heated some oil and ghee. So we need to actually start with the tempering ingredients, but I wrongly added the onions. So I've cooked the onions till they started changing color. I'm adding ginger garlic paste to this now and letting it cook until the raw smell disappears. Now I've added the tempering ingredients. Please make sure you add it at the beginning. So once everything is cooked, I'm adding in the cut beetroot and the green peas. Green peas is optional. You can skip it if you don't like it. Just give it a nice mix and let it cook for 2 minutes. I've added a little bit of salt to help in the cooking process. Once it's cooked for 2 minutes, I'm adding in all the masala powders. That's turmeric, coriander powder and red chilli powder. Cook it for another 2 minutes. And once it's done, I'm adding in thin coconut milk into this. I've added 1 cup of coconut milk and I'm going to be adding 1 cup of normal water. Now mix everything together. Add salt to taste. And then bring this water to a boil. Once the water comes to a nice boil, I'm adding in the basmati rice which I had soaked for 30 minutes. Now again bring the water to a boil, cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Open the cooker once the pressure is released and the pulao is ready to be served with some raita. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.